Bow, he's back real quick. Just want to do a quick video. You all remember my video, and I'll put a link to it up over on the thing here, from the company called Lokithor. I got this great unit. It's a compressor, it's a jumper, it's a flashlight, it's got everything. I'm not gonna review this again because it's already been done before, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and, like I said, and put a link to it up there. This thing has the flashlight, has the jumper, has the USB ports, a couple different USB ports on it. It has the jumper for the cars. We all familiar with those. I've got a couple of those videos. It has the jumper. This is the air compressor to fill up the tires on the car, fill up the tires on your bike, all the toys. Get a little package that comes with for the different connections for your air compressor, and that's the Lokithor. You guys all, like I said, you're all familiar with that. And then here's the jumper cables. Now, one of the things I liked about the Lokithor was the way it was made. Everything I think about Lokithor is made strong and firm. Matter of fact, I'm getting ready to plug in this phone right here to the USB portion of this because I need to charge it up, because I'm not sure before the video gets done whether it's going to be used or not. So everything goes in this case, right? Well, this case is okay, but this thing's kind of heavy. And with the JA series, one of the things I said was it's been nice to have something, with this that we can carry, that I can carry everything with and just throw it up in the vehicle. Well, guess what? Ask and thy shall receive, or thy shall receive. I got this in the mail the other day from Lokithor. Thank you, Lokithor, for sending this out. I appreciate it. Check this out. How beautiful is this case? I mean, look at that. Huh? It's gorgeous. I mean, it's light, very protective there. The zippers, you got zippers right here. Zoom, 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 baby. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And look at the inside of this thing. It has a little case of things right here. Because remember, it's got a thickness here, so you're able to put stuff in here. Wow, this thing is just beautiful. Check this out. So you get your little bag here that you got everything in. Let's start off with the one we know real quick, which is these bulky cables, right? I think they should fit probably right in here. Look at that. Boom. Boom, baby. Then you have this thing. The air compressor hose. Everything. Then I'm just going to put the whole bag with the little attachments in here. Everything's right in here. Matter of fact, let's just throw the bag in there too. So there you go. Lokithor does not mess around. Man, I love this case. It's just very well made. Inside's got a little, it's like protected. Little bars going across there. And then you take the Lokithor, which is really cool. And itself, now guys, remember, I've showed you this when I filled my tires up. And like I said, look at the video that I got linked here. And matter of fact, at the end of this video, I'll put the Lokithor video on there so you can go over to this unit. But this case fits all the JA series Lokithors. Okay, so that's good for you. That fits all the JA series. And this thing is not very light. It's not heavy, but it's not. So you just pop that baby right in there. Look at that. It fits right inside there. You see that case right there? Can you see the Lokithor? There you go. How great is that? I'm actually in Indianapolis, Indiana, guys, on my way headed East Coast. So you'll probably see a video of that coming up soon. But I wanted to get this video out because I thought it was pretty cool. So you zip this thing up. Boom. How about that? Oh, look at that. Everything fits right in this case by Lokithor. Everything right there. I mean, I love this case. This case is awesome. There you go. Lokithor does not mess around when it's neat thinking. It didn't have this when it first came out, I don't think, because I didn't see it. Could have, I just didn't notice it. And maybe they saw my videos and they talked about how it'd be nice to have something I can carry it in, other than that real light hand case there. Sorry, this is Charlie. Charlie, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Right here, Charlie. Okay. And there we go. The Lokithor JA series case. Go ahead and I'll put the description of the product in the bottom of the video. I hope you guys watch this. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And you'll see my other videos coming out here, my travels. But this is, I wanted to get this one out just so that you guys can match it up with the Lokithor product that I have. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. And like I said, the description will be at the bottom of this video. Again, have a great day. See ya.